No way. Where did you get that? It was in Eric's room with all the black clothes.
Well, the police can't find it. Okay, we need to buy some more time while we figure out who's behind all this.
Just so we're all on the same page, who thinks Eric is being framed?
Good. So we hide the puzzle box.
Well, shouldn't we find out what's inside of it first?
She's got a good point.
Oh, I forgot I'm flying to Spain this afternoon.
What?
Yeah, my birth parents booked the first flight out. Tim checked them out and we all agreed that I could go, so.
So in a few more hours, no more Max.
Boom. There's something inside, guys.
What is that? My son? What does it mean?
Well, in mythology, it's usually a symbol of life or power.
Great. Something else we don't know to add to the mystery.
We better hide it fast before the police catch us with it.
Yeah, Sal's right. Where?
The secret room. It's just the place to hide the puzzle box.
Or not.
Okay, new plan. We separate, find the best hiding spot, report back, okay? Go.
Hi.
Police is everywhere.
There's absolutely no place to hide this.
Hide what?
Hide why?
That thing behind your back. Where did you...
It was hidden in your bedroom.
That's why you can't give it to the police. We need...
Eric is innocent. And innocent people don't lie to the police.